Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to customize your iPhone notification sound just the way you like it. Let's get into it. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Here, you'll find options like Text Tone, New Voicemail, and New Mail. Tap on any of them and scroll through the list of tones. When you find one you like, just select it, and that's it. Your iPhone will now play that tone for that specific alert. If you're trying to change the notification sound for a third-party app, like WhatsApp, you'll need to do it a little differently. Go back to Settings, scroll down, find WhatsApp, and tap on it. Then tap Notifications. You'll notice there's no custom sound option here, just a toggle to turn sounds on or off. To fully customize WhatsApp notifications, scroll down and tap WhatsApp Notification Settings. This will redirect you inside the WhatsApp app. Now, under Message Notifications, tap on Sound, and a list of tones will appear. Pick your favorite, and from now on, you'll hear that sound every time you get a WhatsApp message. And that's how you customize your iPhone notification sounds for both system and third-party apps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.